Number 1. 1988 Ford F250, $3,500, Lafayette, Indiana. This 1988 Ford F250 is a farmer-owned classic work truck showing only 81,000 original miles, making it a rare survivor for its age. Finished in red, it features an 8-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. The clean title and solid running condition add appeal, especially since these late 1980s F-Series trucks are known for durability and simple mechanical design. The condition is rated as fair, but with its strong history and dependable performance, it offers excellent potential for restoration or continued utility use. Number 2. 1984 Toyota Truck 22R, $4,250, Arroyo Grande, California. This one-owner 1984 Toyota pickup is equipped with the legendary 22R 4-cylinder engine, known for its long-lasting reliability. With 201,000 miles, a 5-speed manual transmission, rear-wheel drive, and cold air conditioning, it represents the classic bulletproof Toyota formula. It holds a clean title, includes the original California license plates, and even comes with an optional camper shell. Recently smog certified and registered as non-operational due to minimal use, this truck is ideal for collectors who appreciate the durability and rising value of early 1980s Toyota pickups. Number 3. 1989 Chevrolet OBS Longbed, $5,000, El Paso, Texas. This 1989 Chevrolet OBS Longbed blends square body charm with a mid-1990s front-end swap for a distinctive appearance. Powered by an 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, it is stated to be in good condition with 200,000 miles. These late 1980s Chevrolet trucks are popular for their dependable powertrains and strong aftermarket support. This example offers a solid foundation for customization or everyday classic truck utility. Number 4. 1989 Ford F250 Utility Bed, $1,000, Fairfield, Vacaville, California, offered as a utility-use classic. This 1989 Ford F250 features a 4-wheel drive system, an 8-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The odometer shows 73,000 miles, 5-digit, and the truck has a straight, rust-free body. The utility bed has fully functioning watertight compartments, making it valuable for work purposes. While it runs and drives, 2 tires have unseated and will require towing. The missing title means it will need a lien sale, but overall, it is an affordable project with excellent structural condition. Number 5. 1960 Ford F100 Stepside, $3,500, Crawford, Colorado. This 1960 Ford F100 Stepside is a complete classic pickup that last ran 8 years ago. It includes a 6-cylinder engine with a 4-speed manual transmission, both intact and original. Although the condition is listed as fair and it has minor rust, the body is generally solid. With its clean title and unmodified configuration, this truck is a strong candidate for a full period-correct restoration. These early 1960s F-Series Stepside models are increasingly collectible due to their styling and simplicity. Number 6. 1971 Ford F100 Short Wheelbase, $2,950, Naperville, Illinois. This 1971 Ford F100 short wheelbase truck comes with a desirable 302 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine and a manual transmission. Previously a Georgia truck, it still retains its Georgia title. The body is overall solid but requires floorboard repair. The engine is not locked, though the truck does not currently run. These early 1970s F100 models are popular among restorers for their clean lines and strong aftermarket parts availability, making this a worthwhile project foundation. Number 7. 1975 Ford custom-built 6x6 log hauler, $2,000, Sandpoint, Idaho. This unique 1975 custom-built Ford 6x6 log hauler is a rare specialty vehicle intended for heavy-duty logging work. It shows 53,000 miles and includes a manual transmission, a gasoline engine, and all original loading ramps. The seller notes it ran when parked. Classic commercial haulers like this have niche appeal and can serve as functional equipment or an unusual restoration project for collectors of industrial vehicles. Number 8. 1972 Chevrolet C20, $2,000, Forest Grove, Oregon. This 1972 Chevrolet C20 is a fair-condition project truck with an odometer that has rolled over. It features rear-wheel drive and a manual transmission. The buyer originally purchased it for an LS engine swap, and the truck has typical floor rust but solid rockers and cab corners. With a clean title and classic heavy-duty C20 structure, it offers an ideal foundation for either a full restoration or a modern drivetrain conversion. Number 9. 1977 GMC 4x4 with Snowplow, $3,500, Cedar Grove, Edgewood, New Mexico. This 1977 GMC 1/2-ton four-wheel drive truck includes a functional Western snowplow system with electric and hydraulic controls. It features a running 6-cylinder engine, a 4-speed manual transmission, tire chains, and a new driver's side floor pan. The body is rough and rusty, but the truck drives. The plow is heavy-duty, fully operational, and recently serviced. This setup is ideal for work use, property maintenance, or parting out. The seller will separate the plow only after it sells. Number 10. 1965 Ford F100, $7,900, North Fort Collins, Long Pond, Colorado. A well-preserved survivor, this 1965 Ford F100 retains its original turquoise paint, now faded, and original chrome. It features a 300 cubic inch straight-six engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column. The truck starts, runs, and drives, though the carburetor needs attention. The body is exceptionally straight with only surface rust and solid floors, rockers, and pans. Classic mid-1960s F100s are highly desirable, and this example's originality significantly enhances its collector appeal. Number 11. 1983 International S1600, $800, California. This 1983 International S1600 flatbed truck is equipped with a hydraulic lift bed and was previously used for fire service water hauling. It has a diesel 8-cylinder 6.9-liter engine with a manual transmission, and although it starts and drives, it is not road legal and lacks a title. The included water tanks remain in good condition. With 250,000 miles and an odometer that no longer functions, the truck is best suited for parts, off-road use, or restoration as a piece of commercial equipment history. Number 12. 1984 Ford F250, $1,500, Yerington, Nevada. This 1984 Ford F250 is a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, manual transmission truck showing 66,807 miles. It does not currently run and must be picked up by the stated deadline. With a clean title and classic square-body Ford styling, it offers project potential for restorers or hobbyists seeking an affordable entry into vintage heavy-duty pickups. Jika Anda perlu format berbeda, cukup beritahu.